Welcome to our best channel products square online. Product details: name, Brandstand, CubieBlue, user-friendly and convenient alarm clock charger, 2 USB ports, 2 tamper-resistant sockets, Brandstand Bluetooth speaker. Product details: 1. Easy to use and to set alarm clock, simple one-button press and turn design. 2. Qi wireless charging compliant with Samsung 10 watts, fast charge, and Apple 7.5 watts, iPhone X, 8/8 Plus, XS, XS Max, XR, Samsung, LG and more. 3. 2 USB charging ports quickly charge your favorite devices. 4. Pastel spill test, for enhanced safety to reduce the risk of shock. 5. Display dimmer, 3 levels of brightness plus off. Convenient features. This will be the best alarm clock you have ever owned. Plug in and charge all of your devices while you sleep. Single day alarm switch, flip the switch under the battery door to off it. You want the clock to hold your alarm time and on if you prefer to set your alarm every day. 1. Easy to use and to set alarm clock, simple one button press and turn design. 2. 2 USB charging ports, quickly charge your favorite devices. 3. Qi wireless charger, built into the top for convenience. 4. Display dimmer, 3 levels of brightness plus off. 5. Right angle pass-through plug, allows another device, lamp, to be plugged into the same wall outlet. 6. Battery backup included, if the power goes out, the clock will hold the time. 7. Auto update for daylight saving time, you'll never have to worry about resetting the clock. Safety features. For enhanced safety, the Cubie product line was designed for and successfully passed a spill test.